life. A big, beautiful Dodge Camper Special. With a fully equipped family-sized freeway camper. All this, plus a Chrysler 229 Hydro-V boat with 120 horsepower inboard outdrive and trailer. With all outdoors to be explored, what more could a man and his family ask?
Dear, I know what you're thinking.
It only takes a moment to enter the Dodge Camper Sweepstakes at your local Dodge dealer. Simply fill out a card and you may win this big V8-powered Dodge Camper Special boat and trailer. Somebody's got to win this prize worth over $10,000 in all, and it might just be you.